Hi students. So in this question, in electron dot structure, the valence shell electrons are represented by crosses or dots. So answer the following questions. The first one, the atomic number of chlorines are 70. Write its electronic configuration. Then draw the electron dot structures of chlorine molecules. The first question is, the atomic number of chlorine are 70. Chlorine, the atomic number is 70. So atomic number is 17 means the number of protons or number of electrons, that is equal to 70. So write its electronic configuration. Here the chlorine has 17 electrons. Hence its atomic number is 70. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p, 5, because 2, 4, 6, 10 and 17 electrons. So in 3p5, this is the electronic configuration of chlorine. Next one, so it is the increasing order of energy of shells. Okay, electrons are arranged in increasing order. So second question is, draw the electron dot structures of chlorine molecules. So chlorine, this is the electronic configuration 3p5. So p orbitals has 3 types, px, py, pz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One unpaired electron is there. So here the oneness orbital, 2 orbital, 3 orbital. Totally we have 3 orbit is there. First orbit, second orbit and third orbit. So first orbit is inner shell, innermost shell, innermost shell. This is the second shell. It is the inner shell. This one is the third shell. This is the outermost shell. Outermost shell. This outermost shell is called valence shell. The electrons present in a valence shell is called valence electron. So here, draw the electron dot structures of chlorine. Electron dot structure is also called Lewis dot structure. Electron dot structure is also called Lewis dot structure. So here the number of chlorine atom is surrounded by valence electron. Here this is the outermost shell. The valence electron, valence shell have 5 plus 2, 7 electrons. In chlorine atom, the valence shell is 3s and 3p. The electron is 7 electron. So hence chlorine is surrounded by 7 electrons in dot. That is called Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. This is a chlorine atom. But here the question is, draw the electron dot structures of chlorine molecule. That is what? Cl2. Right? So this is a chlorine atom. So now we have to make the molecules. So chlorine has 7 electrons. One more chlorine. So here is also 7 electron in its valence shell. So it is a Lewis dot structure of chlorine. So now these chlorine are shared a pair of electron between the two atoms to form covalent bond. Now the chlorine, it shares a pair of electron between the two atoms. Okay. So remaining a pair of electrons, lone pairs electrons. Now the chlorine molecules is formed. The chlorine is surrounded by, this chlorine is surrounded by 8 electrons. In atomic state, the chlorine has 7 electrons. Here is also 7 electrons. But when it combined, the mutually sharing a pair of electrons between the two atoms, here is the sharing of a pair of electrons. Now, each chloride is surrounded by 8 electrons. This chlorine is also surrounded by 8 electrons. So this is called Lewis dot structures of chlorine molecule. Thank you.